It's time now to get a check of the 10 weather impact forecast. Aaron, I do have to say it was disappointing to walk outside this morning and smell that smoke in the air again.
I know. It's just been really wild. I mean, the last several days, of course, what we had on Friday and even starting last week, Wednesday, we started to see that haze building in, and then it got really thick. Thursday into Friday, of course, we had that hazardous air quality, record-setting low air quality here in Columbus. Thankfully, it's a little better today, a little bit more manageable, but still less than ideal. And we are still tracking some more of that haze out there right now as we look at the map showing some of that wildfire smoke building in across Ohio, across much of the state now. You can see where that yellow and orange is shown up there, right around the Cleveland area. That's going to be continuing to build through here as we go through tonight. Now, if you remember back to Friday, if you look at that legend there where it shows that thick smoke, we were in that pink and purple across the entire state. So much more manageable conditions here tonight into tomorrow, but we are going to see that continue as we go through the day tomorrow. It'll clear up, but we could actually see a little bit more wildfire smoke building in here for Tuesday. And that's going to be interesting because that's when our next system arrives, bringing us some showers and storms. So there could be a combination of some rain and some of that wildfire smoke, which, if you remember, some areas, actually parts of Ohio, did deal with some storms and some smoke at the same time. And as that falls down and lands on some cars, once it dries up, cars start to look a little dirty because of the smoke, the residue being left over on the cars. So that would be something we'll watch here for Tuesday. Otherwise, the main concern is going to be that threat for some severe weather here as we go through the morning and into the afternoon. For right now, things are relatively quiet aside from the hazy skies. 69 degrees is our current temp. Dropping down to the lower 60s here for tonight. But we are looking ahead to what's next, and what is the newest thing is the newer threat for severe weather here on Tuesday. We have a level 3 risk out of 5 for potential damaging wind gusts, and even some hail and tornadoes can't be ruled out here as we go through the morning and into the afternoon. But after that system clears out, we'll get some more nicer conditions here by Wednesday and Thursday. Less humidity and more sunshine in the forecast. But for right now, we got clear skies aside from some haze out there. Severe threat for tomorrow. That's all focused off to our north and west, but that's our same system coming in here for Tuesday. It's going to kick off storms in parts of Wisconsin and into Iowa. That system arrives here as we go through Tuesday. So here's that level 3 risk. Orange includes the Columbus Metro, I-71 and eastward for the threat for damaging wind gusts. That's going to be the highest threat, but we can't rule out a few tornadoes in addition to some large hail. And if we get a lot of thunderstorms moving over the same location, some localized flash flooding due to heavy rainfall would also be another concern. So let's play this out on the hour-by-hour forecast here tonight into tomorrow. Not much happening. Hazy skies, otherwise we will stay pretty clear, and some sunshine here for tomorrow. Some clouds rolling in here later in the day, and then more clouds coming in here for tomorrow night into our Tuesday morning. And watch what happens as we go through Tuesday morning. We get some storms that develop in Wisconsin tomorrow. Those track across Illinois into Michigan, into Indiana, arriving here on our morning on Tuesday. And some of those could be strong to severe. That clears out, and depending on how much of a break we get between the morning storms and the afternoon ones, well, we could get some more storms here for the afternoon. And both rounds would pose that threat for severe weather. So because of that, we have a 10 weather impact alert here for Tuesday through the day, as we are looking at highs right around 85. Storms in the morning. Again, possible more storms in the later afternoon and for the evening. That all clears out, and we're looking at some more sunshine, lower humidity, and nicer conditions here, Carla, for Wednesday and Thursday.